Wire EDM, or electrical discharge machining, is a highly precise machining process that has revolutionized the manufacturing industry. It uses electrical sparks to erode metal, creating complex shapes and intricate designs that are often impossible to achieve with traditional machining methods. Wire EDM is essential in various industries, including aerospace, medical, and automotive. In aerospace, it is used to create components that must withstand extreme conditions. In the medical field, it helps in manufacturing precise surgical instruments and implants. It allows for the creation of very fine and delicate parts that would be difficult or impossible to make with traditional machining methods. This precision is crucial for applications where even the smallest error can lead to significant issues. Wire EDM is valued for its ability to cut very hard materials while maintaining extremely tight tolerances. This makes it an invaluable tool for industries that require high precision and durability. This makes it ideal for creating molds, dies, and other precision components that are essential for mass production and high-quality manufacturing. The process involves a thin, electrically charged wire that travels along a programmed path, cutting through the workpiece submerged in deionized water. This ensures that the cutting is precise and the workpiece remains cool. The water acts as a dielectric fluid, helping to control the electrical discharges and ensuring that the process is stable and efficient. This results in a smooth and accurate cut, making wire EDM a preferred choice for precision machining. Several key spare parts are essential for the smooth operation of a wire EDM machine. These parts ensure that the machine runs efficiently and produces high-quality results. Understanding their functions is crucial for effective maintenance and troubleshooting. Regular inspection and timely replacement of these parts can prevent unexpected downtimes and costly repairs. The EDM wire, often made of brass or molybdenum, carries the electrical current that erodes the workpiece. This wire is a consumable part and needs to be replaced periodically to maintain cutting efficiency. The wire diameter and material are chosen based on the desired cutting speed and surface finish. Thinner wires provide finer cuts, while thicker wires are used for faster cutting. Wire guides, typically made of diamond or sapphire, control the movement and tension of the wire. These guides are crucial for maintaining the precision of the cut and ensuring the wire does not deviate from its path. They ensure precise cutting and prevent wire breakage. Regular inspection and cleaning of the wire guides can extend their lifespan and improve cutting accuracy. Power feed contacts transmit electrical current to the wire. These contacts wear out over time and need to be replaced to maintain consistent electrical conductivity. They are essential for maintaining a consistent spark gap and cutting performance. A stable spark gap ensures that the electrical discharge process is efficient and the cut is smooth. Wire EDM uses deionized water as a dielectric fluid, and filters and deionization resin remove impurities from the water. This fluid acts as an insulator and coolant, playing a vital role in the cutting process. This maintains its dielectric properties and prevents corrosion within the machine. Regular replacement of filters and resin ensures the water remains pure and effective. Bearings and rollers ensure smooth movement of the wire and the workpiece. Proper lubrication reduces friction and wear, extending the life of these components. Proper lubrication and regular inspection are essential to prevent wear and tear. Neglecting these parts can lead to machine breakdowns and decreased cutting accuracy. Water jet nozzles direct a jet of deionized water to the cutting zone, ensuring that the area is kept clean and cool during the cutting process, flushing away debris and keeping the cutting area cool. Regular maintenance of these nozzles ensures optimal performance and prevents clogging, which can affect the cutting process. Regular maintenance is crucial for extending the lifespan of your wire EDM machine. Simple tasks can significantly reduce downtime and prevent costly repairs. Daily cleaning involves removing debris from the work tank and around the wire guides using a soft brush and approved cleaning solutions. Check and adjust the wire tension regularly according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Proper tension ensures accurate cutting and reduces wire breakage. Monitor the conductivity of the deionized water. Replace filters and deionization resin as needed to maintain optimal water quality. Lubricate bearings, rollers, and other moving parts according to the lubrication schedule provided in the machine's manual. Regularly, inspect the machine for signs of wear and tear, such as worn wire guides, damaged power feed contacts, or leaking seals. Selecting the right spare parts is crucial for maintaining the performance and longevity of your Wire EDM machine. Using high-quality compatible parts is essential. Original equipment manufacturer or OEM parts are often the best choice as they are designed to meet the exact specifications of your machine. Reputable aftermarket suppliers can offer quality parts at a lower cost. Ensure the supplier has a good reputation and provides compatible parts. Pay close attention to technical specifications such as dimensions, materials, and voltage requirements. Ensure the parts are compatible with your machine model. If you are unsure about which parts to choose, consult with a qualified technician or contact the machine manufacturer for guidance. Understanding common wire EDM issues and their solutions can help minimize downtime and keep your machine running smoothly. By addressing these issues promptly, you can ensure that your production process remains efficient and cost-effective. Frequent wire breakage can be caused by incorrect wire tension, worn wire guides, or improper flushing. It's essential to regularly check the wire tension and make adjustments as needed. Additionally, inspect the wire guides for any signs of wear and tear, and ensure the flushing system is functioning correctly to prevent debris buildup. Check and adjust these factors as needed. Regular maintenance and timely adjustments can significantly reduce the frequency of wire breakage, thereby enhancing the overall performance of your Wire EDM machine. A poor surface finish can result from worn wire guides, contaminated water, or incorrect cutting parameters. To achieve a high-quality surface finish, it's crucial to replace worn wire guides promptly, maintain clean and uncontaminated water in the EDM tank, and fine-tune the cutting parameters according to the material being processed. Inspect and replace worn parts and ensure the water quality is optimal. Regularly checking the water quality and replacing it when necessary can prevent many issues related to surface finish and machine performance. Inaccurate cutting can be due to wire lag, worn bearings, or a misaligned wire. Ensuring that the wire is properly aligned and that the bearings are in good condition is vital for maintaining cutting accuracy. Check and adjust the wire tension, inspect bearings for wear, and ensure proper wire alignment. Regular inspections and adjustments can help maintain the precision and accuracy of your Wire EDM machine. Slow cutting speed can be caused by dull wire, improper flushing, or incorrect cutting parameters. To improve cutting speed, regularly replace the wire, ensure the flushing system is working efficiently, and optimize the cutting parameters based on the material and desired outcome. Replace the wire as needed, check the water jet nozzles, and optimize the cutting parameters. By staying proactive with maintenance and adjustments, you can keep your Wire EDM machine running at peak performance and avoid unnecessary downtime. Section 6. The importance of preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is the key to maximizing the lifespan and performance of your Wire EDM machine. Establish a regular schedule for preventive maintenance tasks, such as cleaning, lubrication, and inspection. Maintain detailed records of all maintenance activities, including dates, parts replaced, and observations. This helps track machine history and identify potential issues. Ensure operators are properly trained in machine operation and basic maintenance procedures. A proactive approach to maintenance helps prevent unexpected downtime, reduces repair costs, and extends the life of your machine. Section 7. Sources for high-quality spare parts. Knowing where to source high-quality spare parts is crucial for ensuring the performance and longevity of your Wire EDM machine. Original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, often have a network of authorized distributors or sell parts directly. These parts are guaranteed to meet the machine's specifications and are often backed by warranties. Several reputable aftermarket suppliers specialize in EDM spare parts. Research and choose suppliers with a proven track record of quality and reliability. Industry directories and online marketplaces can provide a list of potential suppliers. Verify the credibility and reputation of suppliers before making a purchase. Seek recommendations and referrals from other EDM users or industry professionals. They can provide valuable insights into reliable suppliers and parts. Section 8. Maximizing ROI, the value of proper maintenance. Investing in proper maintenance for your Wire EDM machine provides a significant return on investment, or ROI, in several ways. Proactive maintenance minimizes unexpected breakdowns and downtime, keeping your production running smoothly. Regular maintenance helps prevent premature wear and tear, extending the operational life of your valuable equipment. Well-maintained machines produce higher quality parts with better accuracy and surface finish. Preventive maintenance is far more cost-effective than reactive repairs and replacements. It helps avoid costly downtime, emergency repairs, and premature part failures. Section 9 Conclusion: Ensuring precision and efficiency. Wire EDM machines are indispensable tools for precision cutting in various industries. Understanding the functions of key spare parts, implementing regular maintenance practices, and choosing high-quality replacements are essential for maximizing machine lifespan, ensuring optimal performance, and producing high-quality parts. By prioritizing preventive maintenance and proactive troubleshooting, you can ensure the precision, efficiency, and longevity of your Wire EDM machine, ultimately maximizing your return on investment.